Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a versatile sew-in. This is my beautiful model right here, and we're just going to get right into it. I just start here with sectioning her hair off, then we'll jump right into the braid down. With my braid down, I'm just braiding and connecting the previous braid with the current braid, and then just looping it. Don't worry about the loops, we'll be sewing that down later. As you can see, I like to bring the loops up into the gaps of the braids and just sew them down. Everybody has their own braiding technique. This is just how I'm comfortable with doing it and how it works pretty well for me. Now we're just going to go ahead and sew these luxurious bundles from Briana Sai collection here onto my beautiful client. I went in with a little color on the last bundle just for a little pop of color. And if there's one thing you know about me, I love a little color in my clients. Now we're just going to jump into the styling. Now that the hair is sewn in, I like to spray down the hair with the water bottle and 2 additional products, which I will list in the description. Then I'll go ahead and blow dry. This allows me to get rid of the curl pattern that is already formed on the hair before styling, to then create the desired style on my client. I did layer my client's hair prior to curling her, just to create the shape of how I want the hair to fall and allow some volume. And just like that, my client is done. I love the finished look. Just look at those curls and how pretty your hair is sitting. I'm living for this look right now. Comment below what you guys think. If there's any other videos that you guys would like to see, also comment below. Stay tuned for my next video.